Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I know it's been quite a while since the last one. I've been kind of busy. Just about finished up with my last semester of college. Just got a couple more finals and finally graduated. Started a new job. Done a couple things to the car since then. New wing, some maintenance, a couple of little problems, but nothing really that major. Today's just going to be some footage of me driving on Pikes Peak International Raceway. It was just like kind of an open lapping day, super chill, laid back. They kind of do these things every couple weeks where at the beginning of the day they'll have lapping drivers on the track, and then later in the day they'll have drifting the rest of the day. So it was one of those days, it was like $50 a driver or something. This was my first time on track, so there's obviously a lot of things that I can do. I've got progressively better over the day. These are my final two laps. I think it was a 51 and a 49. And that probably doesn't really mean anything because they changed the track layout. It's not the normal infield portion, but you'll see what I'm talking about in the video. So yeah, if you guys have any feedback for me, please let me know. There's obviously things that I need to work on. My tires, keep in mind, are literally awful. They're like $60 from Discount Tire each. Like, I don't know, I just wanted to get some experience. I think this was the perfect way because I wasn't afraid of breaking anything, and I didn't chew up the tires because I didn't have any power to chew up. I don't know, it was a really good experience. I'm really glad I went. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.
I'll stay secure just for you.
Go ahead.
I think that's a little bit quicker.
Oh, that was it, dude.
Let's fucking go!
I could have done a little better than that still. Fuck.
Just that missed third.
Yeah.